Hi everyone, welcome back to another super quick and a very healthy snack recipe that's made with all natural ingredients, making it an awesome energy bites. It's a no baking recipe, hence can be easily made with just handful of ingredients that's easily available at home. It's a great snack to munch for both adults and kids, and it's super tasty, completely sugar free and loaded with lots of nutrients. Hope you like this video. Keep watching. For making energy bites, I have taken a cup of dates that's around 12 to 15. Here I am using ajwa dates. Add warm water and soak it for 5 to 10 minutes. If you are using fresh dates, that softer one, then you may simply wash and proceed. No need for soaking. Soaking, however, softens the dates and blends well. You may use any dates of your choice. Now I have removed the seeds and discarded the water. Now let's proceed. We require some dry fruits. So here I have taken few almonds, cashews and walnuts. Now into a food processor, we're going to firstly pulse these nuts together to a coarse powder. Remember, do not pulse to a fine powder. This is the texture we're looking for. Now into the same food processor, we're going to add the soaked and pitted dates into it. Then to this, we're going to add around 3 tablespoons of sesame seeds and few drops of lemon juice. Now pulse them well until they are well combined. Pulse well until they form a binding texture. As you can see here, this is the perfect consistency. When you press it, it's sticking well and easily getting binded. If you feel it's too dry, then do add few more dates and blend it well. However, with this ratio, you get a perfect consistency. Now transfer it to a plate. And then we're going to start rolling it out to a small bite-sized balls. Take a portion and give desired shape. See how well it's getting binded? It's a very easy and a quick snack recipe, isn't it? Press and form a round shape and you can see a very healthy and tasty energy bites is ready. Now continue with the rest. You may also prepare in bulk and store in freezer. However, I prepare in small batches, which usually gets over in a week or 10 days time. It's a must-try recipe. It's super easy to make as no baking required. It's extremely tasty and very healthy snack. All the ingredients used are loaded with tons of nutrients. They are a good source of vitamins, minerals, calcium, fiber, potassium and many more. It can also be had as a pre or a post-workout meal. Just get all the ingredients and pulse them together and energy bites are ready. Look how delicious it looks. It's very yummy and tasty. Do try and I'm sure you'll truly love it. Store them in an airtight container and keep in refrigerator. Hope you like this healthy snack recipe. If so, please hit the like button and share among your family and friends. And to watch many more healthy videos, do subscribe and press the bell icon for getting notified. See you soon with another interesting video. Until then, take care of yourself and your loved ones. Assalamu alaikum. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.